Hey everyone, welcome to thatguyreviews.com. And what you're looking at is the Bestway Steel Pro, the 9-foot 0.8 rectangular pool that's about 6.5 feet wide and about 21 to 22 inches deep. Kids outgrown this a little bit, and the challenge that we're dealing with is the space that we have here. The patio is only going to allow us to put about a 12-foot pool here. And if we did that, we won't be able to have any space, so we're going to settle with a 10-foot. It's going to give us an additional, I don't know, 4 feet, approximately 4 feet in to the sides. So we thought it was worth the trade-off. So here's the replacement pool that I picked up. It's the Intex Prism Frame Premium Pool Set. So I'm going to go ahead and put this up, and then we'll see how it looks. Here are all the contents that came out of the box. You got a filter. This is the crystal clear 601 model, and on the back is the manual for the pool. Looks like some footing here. Here's the frame, the pool, and here's all the plumbing stuff.
We decided to replace the Bestway Pool only because the kids were getting older and we needed to find something that could fit in our situation. Having owned both Intex and Bestway pools, they're both made equally well. It really came down to what had the best price and the perfect size that would fit our patio.
But this is what it looks like on the ground, flat. So it's finally up. Time to put the filter together. It's the 10-foot diameter Intex pool. It's about 30 inches deep. And so far, it looks a lot bigger than what we had before with the Bestway pool. Even though it's about 10 feet in length, the additional width makes a big difference. As you can see, I still kept the same filter.